Hello, in this video I will show you the affiliate account close and registration settings in the Affiliate Press General Settings. The first option is Allow affiliate users to close their account. When this option is enabled, affiliate users can delete their own accounts. Now go to the Affiliate panel on the front end. Click the Edit icon and open the Edit Profile tab. Now scroll down and you will see the Delete Account option. Now go to the Settings page, disable this option, and click the Save button to apply the changes. Now go to the front end and refresh the page. Open the Edit Profile tab again. Scroll down and you will see that the Delete Account option is no longer displayed. Now go to the Settings page and check the next option. The next option is Auto Affiliate Create on Register as User from any registration form. If this option is enabled, users who register through any form will automatically become affiliates on your site. If you do not need this feature, you can keep this option turned off. Now click the Save button to apply the changes. I have already created an ARMember registration form. Now I will open it. This is the ARMember registration form. Enter all the required details and click the Submit button. The user has been successfully registered. Now go to the Affiliates page on the front end. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. Here you can see all registered affiliate users, and the first record is the newly registered user.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.